Everything on a computer is stored as a stream of binary numbers. All softwares, music, files, images, graphics are represented as binary. Behind the scene, each coding instruction is also first translated into a language which machine can understand and processor can execute. In our last video in the series, we learned that a transistor being switched on or off is called a bit or a binary digit. In this series, we will understand the higher unit representation of computer storage. As you all might be already aware about the unit representation of length. So for example, the unit representation of length could be in millimeters, and then a little higher is centimeter, a little more higher is meter, and then kilometer, and so on. So there are different units to represent length. Similarly, there are different units to represent computer memory and storage as well. Okay, which actually signifies or which represents how much memory this particular computer do have, and how much could be used for processing, etc. So we know a transistor being switched on or off is a bit. Okay, so a bit may have two possibilities, 0 and 1. Similarly, 2 bits may have 4 possibilities, right? Those 4 possibilities could be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, 4 bits may have 16 possible combinations and 16 possibilities. 8 bits may have 256 possibilities. So as you can see, although it looks like, it is only able to understand 0 and 1, but when it comes to 8 bits, it can actually represent 256 unique representations. So here we talk about bits. Fine. Bit is the smallest storage unit in computers. What are the higher units called? 8 bits together makes 1 byte. 1024 bytes together makes a kilobyte. Notice here, it is not 1000. The way in our standard unit, most of the times it is a multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000. Here it is not a multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. It is a multiple of 2. Why it is a multiple of 2? Simple, because here we are talking about binary digit, which has only 2 numbers, 0 and 1. When we spoke about decimal number system, it has got 10 different numbers from 0 to 9. So that is why most of the times when you see the higher unit representation, they are in the multiple of 10s. Similarly, when we talk about binary number representation, the higher units are a multiple of the power of 2. 1024 bytes makes a kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes makes a megabyte. And 1024 megabytes makes a gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes makes a terabyte. So that's all for today's session. In our next session, we are coming up with a very interesting topic where we will learn how the number and text are represented in binary. See you soon.